What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles, and I'm back. Now, I was going to make a video about this Jaguar. We were going to see how many modifications it was going to take for this thing to do, the best burnout that it can. Well, I bought it one night. The guy drops it off. We put it out back. I put a battery in it. I went to drive it up here. The transmission is slipping a lot. Like, you put it in gear and you could probably count to 10 before it, catches and pulls. So that's a bust on that. We were looking at doing an MWFA with this about a month or two ago, and their MWFA rules stated no rear-wheel drives. This is rear-wheel drive. So, we didn't get to run it. So we would have found out there that it was having transmission issues. But this is one of those fancy Jaguars, and when you look for the transmission dipstick, it doesn't have one. So, I looked all over the engine, and then I ended up Googling it, and it has a fully sealed transmission. You're not supposed to, I guess it's supposed to last forever, which it did not. So yeah, I'm gonna pull a few things off this, probably send it to scrap, and I don't know what we're gonna do now. So in a way, we got a good jump on 2026. We got this Buick Century. It needs an alternator. We got the Mercury. It needs more patch plates or patch plates cut off, depending on where we go. We got this minivan that we took to Russellville. It needs a transmission. Other than that, it's perfect. So there's 3 rides that are mint, ready to go. We got this Sienna. That might be the next MWFA. Picked it up a few weeks back. Honda Odyssey. I think we're gonna do a mod van with that. But we have finally made it to 2026, and everybody. I keep telling people I got a New Year's revolution, and they're like, "You mean resolution?" I was like, "Nah, revolution, because we're gonna do a full 360 because 2025 was pretty great. We reached 5,000 followers here on YouTube. I think we're up to 5,200 now. I think I derbied in 7 different states. We won a couple. We got a bunch of second places. Shared the track with my wife. It was a pretty great year. How was your guys's 2025? And what are you looking forward to doing in 2026? Where are you running? We are allegedly going to Australia. Team USA versus Australians. Let's go to Australia, maybe Canada if we can fit them in, and let's whoop some international ass. All right, YouTube. So here I am. I'm in the Jaguar, and I wanted to go just blow it up before I scrap it, but I found out if we put it in drive, there's a moment before it will shift. But if we go all the way over to 2, because it goes whoop, makes a U-turn, 2 seems to be doing good. So we might be able to make this car do a burnout. We just can't use overdrive. But this is a weird. Oh, guys, I just realized the fucking shift pattern is a J. Anyway, the whole reason I'm on here, when I put it in reverse, you hear that beeping? I was like, what the fuck is that? And it's well, we got low washer fluid, the door's open, traction control's not working. But then I realized that is the backup alarm. And as I get closer to stuff, it's beeping louder. So before the cameras, I guess you just had a beeper. I don't know. Okay, so it looks like the Jaguar burnout might just happen.
It's safe to say that our luck has officially turned around, guys. We are back, baby. We are fucking back. We're back.
Let's start with talking about the Jaguar. You know, it's a... Look at the fucking key. Y'all remember when, like, all them Kias were getting stolen with, like, a fucking USB? Like, that is the key to drive this thing. Like, that looks like a screwdriver. That looks like a Phillips screwdriver that has been worn out. Okay, here we go. Operation get the Jaguar to do a burnout. So you can see that tire's kind of flat. This tire is completely off the rim. There's all kinds of rubber in there now because I just like took it out in the yard. I just held it to the floor. I was like, if the transmission's going bad, let's just blow it up, see what happens. It did not blow up. I put it over in two, and she, surprising, like I had this thing tacked out at like 8,000 RPMs, and it was moving a little. So here's some of the marks in the yard. Like it was sliding for only having one tire. All right, there's going to be a lot of you that said, oh, you should have derbied that. Look, we got the back tire off. Lower A-arm, aluminum. Upper A-arm, aluminum. All right, now, the key to getting a V6 to do a burnout is weight reduction. So we've done cut off the Cadillac converter. M-I-C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch. And the brakes, because we don't need them, because we want this tire to spin. Yeah, let's go.
And boom goes the dynamite.
Okay, this is part two. I topped off the brake fluid. The front brakes are not holding this thing. Put it in drive, put it in reverse, backed up, put it in drive, held the brakes, it just went forward. Tried to neutral drop it. You can't neutral drop it all the way over to 2. Transmission just is hating life right now, but we're gonna try one more time. Where there's a wheel, there's a guy willing to shred that fucking tire. So once again, we didn't have brakes. Like this car will slow down, but it won't come to a complete stop. You just gotta put an immovable object in front of it. So she did do a burnout, one wheel peel. That's it's a little disappointing, but it was shredding the tire. And I know what you guys are gonna say. Well, just weld the diff.
No, seriously, come on, do it. Do it.
Well, half the diff cover is covered up I thought this would be a lot more dramatic with sparks flying, but even the diff cover is aluminum. Now, honestly, I feel like it's welded. It's either going to grenade the rear end, blow a tire, but let's find out together. So you guys can see that I'm not just being a wimp. So while editing all this together, I realized I must have fat fingered the stop button when I got into the car. The Jaguar was displaying engine failsafe mode. So pretty much it was stopping me from being me. Like, I don't know, we got a black mark here, we got a black mark there. In a way, I would call this a success. We just maybe should start with a better car, maybe an American-made car, because I think Jaguar is what, made in England? It's probably why they lost the Revolutionary War, is because they're building crappy cars. So if you guys want to see me do more stuff like this, hit like, hit subscribe, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Here we go.